So just doing a quick video here today, loading an ATV in the back of a pickup truck. I've never done it before, this will be the first time. And the area I'm going to tomorrow, parking might be tight, so a trailer might be a little bit of trouble getting it in there. So I'm just gonna take the truck with some ramps. Stay tuned. So here we are, this is the first time putting a quad into the back of a truck. Done some measuring, make sure it's going to fit. That was pretty important, I thought. So I got some clearance. The back wheels will be resting on the tailgate. Set my ramps up, spaced them to the centers of my wheels. And we're going to attempt to load this into the back of the Chev.
That was successful.
Taking it off. So what I did here was I checked out the wheelbase on center of my machine. Came out to 38 inches. I've set the ramps up, you know, just verifying that they're on a 38-inch center. Yeah, done that top and bottom. Lined up nicely. They're gonna fit perfectly between the wells. These particular ramps come with their own safety chains. You loop through your hitch. I prefer the straps. I figure a little more secure. Always tie your ramps down, always. So that's my video. Thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe. A couple of tips, pointers to remember. Load your machine in 4x4 low, and always tie your ramps down. Peace out.